Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to check in guns and firearms with Delta Airlines. Whether you're traveling for hunting, competition shooting, or simply need to transport your firearm legally, understanding Delta's specific requirements will ensure a smooth check-in process and help you avoid any complications at the airport. First, open your web browser and navigate to delta.com. Once you're on Delta's homepage, look towards the top of the page where you'll see the main navigation menu. Here, you'll want to click on Travel Info. This section contains all the essential information you'll need regarding Delta's various travel policies and procedures. After clicking Travel Info, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Baggage. This will take you to Delta's baggage information page where you can find details about checked bags, carry-ons, and special items. Now on the baggage page, click on Baggage Rules. This is where Delta outlines all their specific requirements and restrictions for different types of luggage and items. Next, look for the section labeled Prohibited or Restricted Items and click on it. This is crucial because firearms fall under restricted items, meaning they require special handling procedures. Once you're in this section, scroll down through the page and you'll notice all the detailed rules and regulations regarding firearms. Take your time reading through these requirements as they specify things like ammunition limits, case requirements, and proper declaration procedures. Understanding these rules beforehand will save you time and stress at the airport. Now let me walk you through what actually happens when you check in at the airport with your firearm. This is where preparation really matters. Make sure to arrive at the airport 2 to 3 hours early. Firearms require additional processing time, so this extra buffer ensures you won't miss your flight. Head directly to the Delta ticket counter, not the self-service kiosks. When you reach the counter, present your identification and ticket to the Delta agent. Here's a critical step. You must verbally declare to the agent, "I have a firearm to check." This declaration is mandatory and must be done in person. The agent will then provide you with a firearms unloaded declaration form. Fill out this form completely and sign it. This document confirms that your firearm is unloaded and properly secured. The agent will ask you to briefly open your case for inspection. This is just a visual check to verify the firearm is unloaded. Do not hand over your keys to the agent. You retain control of the keys at all times. After the inspection, close and lock your case securely. The agent will then tag it as restricted baggage, which ensures it receives the proper handling throughout its journey. Finally, the agent will provide you with a claim tag for your firearm case. Keep this tag safe as you'll need it to retrieve your firearm at your destination. Once you receive your claim tag, you can proceed to the security checkpoint. Remember, you'll be going through security without your firearm case, as it will be processed separately through the baggage system. And that's it. You've successfully checked in your firearm with Delta Airlines following all proper procedures. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.